The customer knows the engine operation, but we at Safran have the knowledge of the engine and the inner life of the engine.
The knowledge is a mix between some training, the experience, the fact that we are working as a team.
Some customer surveys have shown that the customers want more digital services. And on our side, we're always looking for solutions to improve their fleet availability. So for 3 years, we have developed some algorithms to track the engine parameters.
The goal is to keep the engine flying.
Health monitoring service is part of the engine life service range.
We are receiving the data through some electronic recorder.
We record up to 64 parameters on each helicopter, which correspond to the different flight phases. All this data is collected and transmitted automatically.
We have a clear view on the engine behavior and the engine status.
The idea is to anticipate, to plan some maintenance actions, being more proactive than reactive.
We have some predictive recommendation.
We are working on mid-term or long-term indicators.
We are just analyzing some facts.
We have two solutions. The first one is called Essential. So Essential is a very simple tool and it's a very user-friendly interface. All the people inside the company have access to the same data. The customer is able to track its own parameters, engine power check margins. He can see exactly the trends. He can see also if there are alerts on these two margins. He also has the possibility to request for some expertise based on these power checks. That's a fully do-it-yourself solution. The second step is called Premium. It's based on continuous flight data. The first step is to provide a monthly report based on the fleet data. And the second step is also to answer specific questions.
We can contact our customer and make him aware that something is happening on this engine and give some recommendation in order to avoid some unscheduled removal, for example.
We need the expertise to provide the customized maintenance recommendations.
We will adapt the maintenance, keeping in mind that the goal is to reduce it in order to have the less impact possible on their operation.
We have an image of what's happening right now and what's going to be the future of the engine.
Today, when I receive a call from a customer, I will go to the portal and I will open the graph of the performance of his engine. That will be the start point for my troubleshooting.
When we cross this data with the algorithms plus the expertise of the field reps, the service engineers, we have a full solution to customize the customer engine maintenance.
Mission critical services, that's exactly what we are. We aim for a 98% minimum availability to our customers. We work hard at that. It doesn't come easy. We have key partners like Safran to help us deliver that. We're operating the RES 2B2 for the health monitoring. The key part of this is going to be allowing us to keep our engines in service longer. We can decide to modify our maintenance, customize the maintenance program to meet our mission needs. We've already successfully extended the life of two particular engines based on this information we're getting. Safran listens. Not just about this service. I've been working with Safran a good few years. They brought this out, what they thought we might need. We told them what we did need, and that's what they're delivering. They will listen, be clear, be honest, and work together.